Hey my baby loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I do my lashes. So here's just a little disclaimer before I do this. I am not a lash tech, so I don't know really what I'm doing professionally, if that makes any sense. So please don't come at me in the comments talking about your lash and fell out and everything like that. Okay, back to it. So what you're gonna need is just a little foil, not too big of a size. Honestly, you could just have something kind of tiny. Then I get the black Ardell lash glue, the lash adhesive. I think it's an individual lash glue. I don't use the white one because when it dries, it's gonna look crusty, and you don't want that. Okay, so you're also going to need a pair of scissors and some tweezers as well. And I use my favorite lashes. Honestly, these lashes look really natural and kind of like individuals anyway without this method. But I'm going to link everything down below what I do use, if I can find it. You can see, if it focuses, there we go. You can see that there's kind of little gaps in the lash itself already. I think I'm going to point to it. If I don't, then there we go. So there's already kind of little individual gaps, and that's where I cut my lashes at. I think I cut it in around like 6 or 7 pieces. Okay, so that's usually how big the pieces end up. Y'all can do them a little small if y'all want to, but I'm a little lazy, so I did mine big so it wouldn't take that much time. This glue is really thick. As y'all can see, I was struggling to put it on the foil, but I do little drops at a time. This glue does dry super quick. So when dipping the piece into the glue, make sure you keep it on top of it. I think I'm going to demonstrate. Yeah, so keep it on top of the piece instead of the bottom. And if you do get some on the bottom, all you do is just wipe that glue off so it won't get into your eye, because you will be applying this to the bottom of your lashes. Okay, so when applying this to your lashes, you want to put this on the actual lash instead of the lash line, because when it dries, it will hurt. Then if you just put it in the position that you want it, you just keep it there for like a good 10 seconds and then it should stick there. Y'all, this is a really tedious process, and honestly, I wouldn't recommend this if you're not patient. Another thing is to make sure that when you do this, that you don't put too much glue on the lash extension, because it will get in your eye and it will burn. So just make sure that you wipe off the excess glue when you get a chance to. So I just kept doing this throughout my eye, you guys, and that's pretty much the process of it. These are clusters, not technically individuals, but I can show y'all how to do individuals as well, because I can do those. I just like this method better because this method is faster, and I like to use my actual, like my own strip lashes instead of like just individual lashes itself, because I like the way those turn out better. If you read the back of the glue box, it does mention about not getting these wet for a certain amount of time, so like the glue can really stick on. But other than that, these last me about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how I really take care of them or how long I really want them to stay in there. Okay, so another thing I like to do is I like to use my finger or either the tweezers that I have to just push up the lashes, because sometimes they can get dispositioned if you didn't like hold the lash long enough when it was freshly applied. But other than that, I did my other eyeball. I did my other eye off camera because I just couldn't see y'all. I was really struggling, little y'all know. But that's about it. I hope you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll just talk to y'all later. Bye.